Hello guys and welcome back to Easy Games. Today we're going to be showing you some hacks
And also fun crafts to do with your birds.
Do you remember Bandit? Hello Bandit.
Say hi to everyone.
Say hi Bandit. So the first thing we're going to show you is
an imitation of a mother bird feeding their baby bird. What we have here is just a plastic straw filled with sweet potato. So what you do is you always either mash up a really soft food or you use something like a potato, like we did. And what you do is you put it in a straw. And how to put it in is you take the sweet potato and you put it on your finger and then push it like this so that it actually stays in the straw. Then you, from where the sweet potato ends, so it ends right here for us, we squeeze and he'll eat from it like a mom feeding their baby birds with regurgitated food. So that's in case you don't have weaning food or just something fun to do with your bird. They don't even have to be babies.
So yeah, we're just going to let him eat and then we'll go on to the next hack. You dropped some.
You dropped a lot. Yeah.
That's the good stuff, right?
As you can see, it holds the form of the straw, which is actually really nice.
And he really enjoys it, as you can see.
Yeah.
He knows what's coming. He just knows there's going to be potato in the straw. He just knows it, right, baby?
I'm putting it back in. Chill, man.
Oh, man. Come on, baby.
I know. Sweet potatoes is his favorite food on earth.
The second favorite is green beans, probably.
He likes green beans a lot, too. But he will probably kill for sweet potato.
Yeah.
I know.
Sorry for the noise in the background.
I know. It's coming. Get your beak out of there. All right, we're all out, mister. That was it. That was it for your sweet potato. Actually, there's a little bit more. There you go. Give him the stuff on the table because he'll eat that.
There we go, baby.
Next, I hope many of you are Harry Potter fans because we made Birdie Butterbeer. It's really just an American Girl Doll cup. We took out the filling which was in it. It's supposed to look like hot cocoa, and you can put that back in the cup when you're done. But we filled it with sweet potato and made little drip marks for detail.
Since he loves potatoes, we made a second one because he just loves potatoes, you know? Ready, baby? He really enjoys this, if you didn't notice, and potatoes. Sweet potatoes, and remember it has to be room temperature.
Also,
or something.
We have this little container. It says Bandit's mashed beans. So what we did is we mashed green beans and put them in these American Girl Doll hot cocoa container. So as you can see, there's loads of bean in there. And also, that's great for pranking your parents saying that the bird pooped on the couch, which it really isn't poop, it's just green beans. Or it looks like relish. You can also prank people with it. And it's completely edible.
For the bird.
And you.
And you. It won't taste as good for you. I actually tried it once before. It tastes disgusting. But you like it, so you're not eating a lot. I think that's enough for this one.
Yep, we'll put it in the fridge. Alright, we didn't fill this one because he's eaten a lot today, clearly, with his beak. So,
I don't think he can get all of that, so
Well, pick it up with your finger. He'll eat it.
So
Pick it up with your
what
finger.
we have to do right now is that we have to pick it up with our finger because it's a little too far down because we didn't give him a lot because we've been eating a lot.
Yeah, you definitely, for these types of crafts, you want wider cups. But this is all we had in the house right now. But soon we're going to get new cups for him.
Yeah,
And it'll be much easier for them.
to eat.
Especially birds with big beaks.
Sort of like
So they-
sort of like our bird. Come on, baby. Supposed to eat the rest. Oh. So he's still eating, just hardly anymore. So we're gonna put him down. Come on, baby. Get down. Get down, baby. Come on. You want some green beans? He's gonna step up, so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm one of his favorite people, so no shock if you don't see him during half the videos. Please take him so I can. Oh yeah, all over the shirt.
Oh,
You
that's
love that.
Nice, man.
Really?
No. Hello, Pika Pikers. I need this.
Let me close this and put it in the fridge so he doesn't see it.
So, yeah, that's our bird bandit. Do you have any more hacks?
Not at the moment. Actually, yes, there's one more we need to show you. I need to quickly prepare it. But also, you can fill this type of cup with any kind of fruit that birds can eat, but it just has to be mashed so it looks like a little smoothie. It's also great if your bird, like Bandit, likes to imitate you. So, say you're drinking a cup of tea or coffee in the morning, and
We'll just take
they
its
go to
foot
lunch for your coffee,
and
but
take
they
the cup
can't have that. So you just fill up this cup with this, and then they can be like you.
Hello. I think we may have showed our face a bit. It's okay. I think I showed my face, but my mom doesn't really care if I show my face that much.
All right. Next, we have made from the food. Yeah.
But it's okay. It's okay.
Made from a piece of their food, like this dried papaya, we made Birdie Bot's every flavored beans. So really, this is only papaya flavor since that's all he has right now. But it's a fun pun, and it's Harry Potter themed.
And he loves it.
He really likes his papaya. So here's another one of them. They're not perfectly shaped, but all you do is you can cut it or pinch the papaya and take a piece, rip a piece off, and just roll it around in your fingers until it makes like the little shape of a jelly bean. And then it's a perfect bite-sized snack for your bird.
See, he loves it. Are you chewing right now? You're chewing. Papaya. You like your papaya? You like your papaya? So yeah, and then we have one more hack.
Well, we have one more thing to show you, which is a banana smoothie. Bandit's not big on bananas, but we'll show it to you anyways.
He may try to eat it this time. Maybe last time he just wasn't hungry. As you can see, he's a very good bird. Yeah, baby. Come on. Ooh, don't fall, baby. Don't fall. It's okay. So yes, he is a very good bird. And yeah. What are you doing over there? Trying to get
All you do is you grab a banana, this one we already cut, and you cut off the tip. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit brown. Nothing to worry about. It's just because air got to it. So all you do is you cut off this piece. You have your cup again.